So Friday nights are girls' night out. So I went to the Q Smokehouse in Long Beach, and this restaurant is located by the Pike in Long Beach, and I want to take you guys along and share with you guys what I think overall of Q Smokehouse in Long Beach. Alright, you guys always know I love to do bathroom reviews in my restaurant reviews. So we are inside of the bathroom at Q Smokehouse, and they have a lovely changing table for the little ones. And they even have the little liners too, which are so great because a lot of places have changing tables without those liners. And they have a convenient little paper towel holder right next to the changing table because babies and diapers are messy. Thumbs up, Q Smokehouse. How's the margarita, ladies?
It's amazing. Really good.
Cheers.
Best margarita ever. Cheers. Yay!
So what are these? These are the brisket nachos. First off, the brisket has a nice kick that you would find in like a Mexican style dish. And the other thing is that the chips aren't horrible because there's places that I would go to that don't specialize in like Mexican food and their chips are really crappy. But these are some really good chips. Like I would say these are pretty good chips. I like it. I'm a fan. So this is the Pitmaster Punch, and then we have the signature classic margarita, and it's topped with what, brandy?
Yes. Brandy, and it's so good.
Okay, so we are going in. This is the Q Smokehouse barbecue plate. So this is the barbecue beans. Looks like there's some like bacon in it too. It has like a peppery spice to it. Even smells kind of allspicy too. Okay, those beans are better than the Wynn Buffet. This is what I'm most excited about. Look at that. What is this, the burnt ends?
Burnt ends brisket, yes.
This is so tender. Look at that. This is so good. And they're thick. The burnt ends are thick. The burnt ends I've had before, not thick. Okay. Oh, my pants. Wait. My pants.
Need to get more.
Not in the pants. Rib tips.
Rib tips.
Okay, here we go. It's good. It's tender and it falls off the bone really nicely. What is
right?
it?
These are French fries.
Pulled pork sandwich.
Yep, and French
and
fries.
You have barbecue chicken
and rib tips.
Yep. This is going to be the test because the bar for me is the Wood Ranch mac and cheese. That's my bar. What's
totally.
your bar?
Wood Ranch and Panera.
Okay.
Here's my bar.
Okay, so here we go. I don't get that disgusting American cheese.
No, it's like home style.
Uh-huh.
It's very home style.
It's like what you would have at a Southern picnic.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
I like the texture.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's like
not too cheesy.
No.
Because I don't like the Wood Ranch anymore because I found out it's American cheese and that just grossed me out.
Oh. No, it's
Like
got a
meat.
good texture. Totally.
Here, try this.
Am I still going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's burnt end.
Oh. The sauce is really good.
Yeah. It's
And
tender.
it is very tender.
Yeah. Try it.
Okay.
Okay, it's the burnt
I
end.
just do the full thing.
Sure.
Go for it, girl.
All in your mouth. Get it, girl. Is it finger licking good?
That's really good.
Yeah. So one of my favorite things to do when I'm in restaurants is I love to look around the room and see what other people have ordered in the restaurant. And there was the sweetest couple next to us, and they were traveling from Finland. So they came all the way to Long Beach, California from Finland, and they opted to go to Q Smokehouse. So I was curious of what they ordered and what they enjoyed about their meal. And I wasn't sure if they had barbecue in Finland because I've never been to Finland, so I didn't know. And they said that Q Smokehouse was so good that they're going to be coming back to the restaurant before they go back home. One of my favorite things about what I do here on YouTube is just talking to people, and it was so much fun to sit and talk with this couple from Finland and them tell me their experience of the food, the restaurant, and the different culture that we have here in Southern California. And they were mentioning to me that they were staying at the Hyatt that was across the street, so they were able to walk. And if you're driving, there is a great spot to go ahead and validate right in front of the restaurant. So that's what my girlfriends and I did. We went ahead and just validated our parking with Q Smokehouse, and it was a 50% discount of the regular rate to go ahead and valet the car. All right, so last night we went into the Q Smokehouse for dinner. Amazing, by the way. I love the brandy on top of the signature margarita. That was like on point.
Glad you guys enjoyed it. Welcome to the Barbecue Music Festival 2019 with the 2018 Grand Champions right here. Q Smokehouse will be on the stage again shortly, giving our second award.
Yes, they're defending their title today.
The trophy title.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and I just have to say, the bar at the mac and cheese was the Wood Ranch, but now Q Smokehouse is taking the bar.
Awesome. Glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Glad to hear that.
It doesn't have that disgusting American cheese taste.
Oh,
Home style, and it felt like Southern picnic.
Yeah.
That was the feel. So what is your favorite sauce at Q Smokehouse?
Most definitely probably will say the original.
The original?
Mm-hmm. Can't go wrong with that.
And what's like your go-to meal?
Definitely our wings.
Oh. So these are St. Louis ribs?
Yes, ma'am.
St. Louis ribs, coleslaw, and what sauce is on here?
The original.
Original sauce. So big thank you to Q Smokehouse in Long Beach by the Pike for having my friends and I, as well as having my family and I out to the barbecue festival in Fountain Valley. Q Smokehouse also has a Q Club, so you just enter your email and your name, and then they're going to send you promotional emails and also a free dessert on your birthday. Yummy! And if you're a vegetarian, they also have jackfruit as an option if you are a non-meat eater. So happy hour is always a good option if you are dining on a budget. You can save significantly with your appetizers and food, as well as your alcoholic beverages if you opt to happy hour. And they also do online ordering through ChowNow and Postmates. And if you have any catering in the near future, definitely consider giving Q Smokehouse a call.